Hello everybody, this is Augie and I got my Lootcrate DX. Whoa! The big box. So let's open it up and see what kind of big surprises they have for us. I haven't seen many postings of this yet, and I haven't watched any of those videos because I don't want to be spoiled. I want to see and be surprised myself. So, oh man, I just saw something that looks really cool, and I will save that for later. In fact, I almost ordered something like that from Amazon if it's what I think it is. What is this? Daily Bugle, Spider-Man shirt, amazing spectacle or menace. Spider-Man takes down the vulture. Vulture cries, "He ruffled my feathers." So what's it say up there? It says, strange lights witnessed across the globe. Mass disco party ensues. Crime rate drops. Mayor credits himself and cops on the street. Spectacle or menace. That's pretty cool. I don't know why long sleeve in the middle of summer. It's 105 today where I live. So, long sleeve is not going to do it. So I'll put this in the closet till this fall maybe. Okay, next, and that's big. It takes up most of the, see what this is. A water bottle, Transformers. Same print that was on the shirt we just got from Lootcrate. Lootcrate exclusive. Metal bottle, so that's pretty cool. The pin. Okay. A pink Fight Club pin. From the movie Fight Club. I don't know what there. I don't think DX has an actual theme. Now that I think about it. Okay. Going over. Stay up there. Okay, and Jack's Thoughts, Fight Club. So I'm sure it's just a lined paper notepad. Okay, looks like all we have left is this big Deadpool item. Oh, it is a Finders Keepers. Cool. And I hope it's an exclusive. So, let's get her out. I already packed up my Batman and my Harley Quinn keeper. Oh, yeah. That's looking pretty cool. White Deadpool. What do you think of that? That is pretty cool. I've gotten to like these keeper items. They're not too great for actually keeping your keys because they don't stay on there very well. It just falls off. But as a statue, it's great. Alright, so put him back in here. Yep, that did it. Okay. So, here's the card. Oh, there's the MyGeekBox. Futuristics or Origins. Alright. The Fight Club Journal. Transformers water bottle. Does have a theme. It's alter ego. Spider-Man long sleeve shirt, Fight Club pin, and the Deadpool X-Force Finders Keepers statue. That is cool. And the shirt is really cool too. It's a shame it's long sleeve, and then that water bottle is pretty righteous also. So, very good box this month. The Loot Gaming was really good too. So, let me know what you think down in the comments, and thumbs up, thumbs down. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. You have a wonderful day.